anak, masarap ba yan?
Naku, Nay, masarap po. Nakuha ko na rin yung gusto kong lasa tsaka malapit-lapit na rin po sa luto ni tatay ito.
Kasi nga, yan ang specialty mo. Alam mo, anak, kung nabubuhay ang tatay mo, siguradong proud siya sa'yo. Alam mo, kaya nga yan ang hiniling na kontribusyon natin para sa fiesta eh. Parang ang sarap-sarap niya, anak, ha?
Apo, Nay, naku.
Yan ang uunahin ko.
Ay, masarap ba ito? Thank you po. Kamusta naman yung niluto ko?
Sarap pa. Guring, pwede ka na mag-asawa.
Naku, paano naman mag-aasawa yan? Wala nga nanliligaw. Paano naman may manliligaw? Masarap nga ang dinuguan. Kasi kulay naman yan, dinuguan niya.
Ay, grabe naman kayo.
Pagkatapos natin kainin to, umalis na tayo. Ang dilim na kasi dito eh.
Hindi pa madilim. Si Juring lang yun. Oh, okay naman ah. Konting puti lang naman nilamang nila sa akin eh. Kala nila ah, balang araw, may magagandahan din sa akin. Are you beautiful? Ask the world, click hotornot.com. World agad-agad? Barangay ko nga, walang nagagantahan sa akin. Sige na nga, wala naman mawawala. Ayan, maputi-puti ako dito. Sige.
Nung nagdadalaga, saka nakita na parang, importante pa rin maputi. Hanggang sa gumagamit ako ng mga whitening soap, whitening lotion, ganun. Parang, wala. Kasi parang ang feeling nila, parang hindi ka masyadong maganda kapag maitim ka.
Ay, sus, Mariosep! Ano ba kang bata ka? Ay, sus, Mariosep! Ano ba nangyari dyan sa mukha mo? Puti-puti!
Ha? Talaga, Nay? Pumati na ako?
Hindi yan nasa mukha mo!
Nay naman eh. Akala ko naman may milagro na. Ang dami-dami ko ng whitening cream na ginamit. Wala pa rin umepekto.
Anak, hindi mo naman kailangan maglagay pa na kung ano-ano sa mukha mo. Para sa akin, napakaganda mong anak.
Nay, nanay nga kita. Sige na, doon ka na nga. Doon ka na, Nay.
Ay, nakambata ito, oh.
Wala nga nagla-like sa akin dito eh. Nay, ba't ganun? Wala pa rin nanliligaw sa akin. Sawang-sawa na rin po ako sa kakatukso ng mga kaibigan ko sa akin, Nay, dahil sa kulay ko.
Alam mo, anak, kaya wala pang nanliligaw sa'yo kasi may inilalaan ng Diyos sa'yo. At kapag ready ka na, darating na siya. Alam mo, yung mga kaibigan mong kumukutsa sa'yo dahil sa kulay mo, sila ang may itim ang budhi.
Ako, Nay. Sana balang araw makahanap ako ng lalaki na patay sa kagandahan ko. Yung lalaking pogi, macho, matangkad, maputi, tsaka yung ubod ng bait, tsaka ubod ng inlove sa akin, Nay.
Alam mo, anak, gutom lang yan. Halika na dito at kumain ka na. Anak,
What's with the sad face, Samuel?
Just missing the land, I guess.
Well, I don't think you're missing the land. I'm guessing you're missing the people on the land.
I can't think of anyone in particular. Just getting bored. How long have you been here? Like 2, 3 months?
You're probably bored. You're not meeting enough people.
How can I meet anyone in here?
Well, all the guys back there, they've discovered a new website.
I was in Japan at the time, Navy, and I decided I want to meet other people, plus I wanted to find out if I was considered hot. So that's one of the reasons why I posted out my picture. And then I was waiting people, and then if I thought they were hot, I'd send them a message and ask them how they're doing.
Ay, nakaisa rin ako. Sino kaya itong nabulagan na to? Pogi! Naku! Ayan, nag-message na siya. Ay, cutie pie! Naku, siya kaya to? Ay, baka scammer lang to eh.
hotornot.com. Ano yun? Parang website na nire-rate mo yung mga pictures. You can post pictures, like maximum of 5 pictures. And then nire-rate ka ng mga nakapasok din doon. Members din ng website.
She's pretty, isn't she?
Yeah, she is. Did she ever reply to your message?
No, she hasn't. She's probably too beautiful for me anyway. She finally replied to me.
You better email her back.
I really hope I can get to know her more.
Wagas, ang kwento ng ating pag-ibig. Di mo akalain sa ganito aabutin. Wagas, kailanman ay di magbabago. Habang buhay kita'y pagsisilbihan, habang buhay kita'y aalagaan. Ang nagmamahalan ng tunay ay siyang wagas.
Yung mga pinag-usapan namin, noon I think, isa yung mga plans ko, ganon siya. Siya kasi parang gusto na niyang makaalis sa Navy. Sabi niya, this is my last year sa Navy and gusto ko, I'll work, ganon. And ayaw na niya, gusto na niya yung buhay na wala sa Navy. Sabi niya, nakakapagod. Tapos ako naman parang I'm sharing yung mga gusto ko rin. That time, 26 26 years old ako. So parang sabi ko, ako gusto ko na 25 or 26. Ako gusto ko gusto ko magkaroon ng restaurant. I have a good job right now, pero gusto ko in the future magkaroon ako ng business, ganyan. So siya parang, sabi niya, okay yun, ganon. Parang natuwa siya na parang I have a dream, ganon.
Wow, she made that?
Yeah, she did. She's a very good cook.
Are you going to the Philippines to see her?
I don't know. She hasn't invited me yet. I think she just sees me as a friend.
Nung ka-email mo si Samuel, wala naman bang siyang sabit?
Anong sabit?
You know, yung anakan, asawa, jowa, sa ibang lupalop ng mundo.
Wala naman siguro. Sabi naman niya, single siya eh.
US Navy nga, in other words, seaman. Seaman luloko nga eh.
Di naman siguro. Tsaka hindi naman niya ako nililigawan. Friends lang kami. Masyado siyang mabait, pogi, macho. Hindi ako magugustuhan nun. Simple lang ako eh.
Wala naman nagtatagal na long distance relationship eh. Meron naman dyan mga malapit-lapit lang, yung Pinoy lang, yung Kerry lang. Nang hirap kayang umasa. Wala naman nagtatagal na long distance relationship eh. Meron naman dyan mga malapit-lapit lang, yung Pinoy lang. Nang hirap kayang umasa.
We lost communication na. Kasi parang I know na parang he's planning to pursue another girl. So ako parang okay. Pero he continued emailing me. Tapos sabi ko, I think hindi na rin masyadong okay kung meron siya ng girlfriend. Tapos we'll keep communicating with each other. Parang it's not okay, di ba? So sabi ko, sige. Tapos hindi ko na rin masyadong sinasagot. And then one day, he emailed me na sinasabi niya na parang, I'm going to get married. Wala din eh. Kasi parang, nung una parang, okay, sige lang, okay lang. Kasi talaga parang ako, wala akong feelings for him. Wala akong nararamdaman during that time. Parang, okay lang. Kasi parang, ako rin parang may iba rin din akong gusto. I like someone else.
and we got a divorce in 2009. We moved to Utah, U.S., and she started getting really homesick and everything, and we got into a lot of arguments. She always wanted to go back visit her parents back home, and finally, after a while, we just got divorced, and she went back to her home.
Marami pa tayong gagawing tests para matukoy ang sakit mo. Kakaiba ang symptoms mo. Maaaring epilepsy, sa neuro o di kaya sa mata. Pero hindi pa rin rule out ang ibang sakit sa internal organs.
Hello, Jory. Sorry Hindi na muna kita masusundo dyan sa ospital. Kasi dahil pa akong gagawin Tatawagan na lang ulit kita next time.
Pwede bang diretsuhin mo na lang ako?
Sorry, Jorin. Masyadong malaking pressure para sa akin to. Alam mo, mag-usap na lang tayo pag magaling ka na. Get well soon.
Huwag na. Huwag na tayo mag-usap kahit kailan. Break na tayo!
Feeling ko at the time, parang, hindi na ata ako magkakaasawa. Kasi di ba parang nung una, parang, oy, I want to get married sa ganito age. Pero biglang ano na rin ako, parang, wala na ata magkakagusto sa akin. Kasi parang liability na ako. Or I have to work. I really have to work. Parang hindi ako panimula ng trabaho. I have to work for myself. I have to work for my medicines. Ganun na lang talaga yung iniisip ko. Kasi parang feeling ko wala nang mag-ano sa akin na guy. Kasi kung magkagusto man yun, baka biglang ma-off. Kasi parang, ay magastos to. Baka pagdating ng panahon magka nahirap-hirap lang din kami. So, yun. That's why I call myself parang liability.
After several tests, na-rule out na ang brain cancer and epilepsy. But what you have right now is a condition called multiple endocrine neoplasia, or MEN type 2A. Ang ibig sabihin nito, may tumor ang endocrine glands mo.
Dok, mamamatay na po ba ako?
Ano sinasabi mo? May lunas pa yan. Dok, di po ba?
Sa totoo lang, napaka-rare ng kaso ni Jorin. Ang kailangan natin gawin ngayon maghanap ng specialista para dito. I'm very sorry, Jorin.
Kasi yung una kong mga iniisip yung surgery nga na parang una na hindi pa nasabi sa akin na merong undergoing pa yung research. So iniisip ko pa lang na parang mababaon yung family ko sa utang. Tas ako parang if I'll die, parang bakit pa? Parang ako kailangan ko nila i-accept. Parang sige, if I'll die, then I'll die now na ganito. Kesa I'll undergo surgery na alam ko naman din, hindi ko din naman alam dahil hindi pa naman sila masyadong gumagawa dito. Dahil kung sinasabi ng St. Luke's na parang pang second, third case ako dito sa Philippines. So parang ang hirap.
Okay ka na ba talaga?
Wala namang masakit sa akin ngayon
Operahan ka daw ba?
Isa sa mga options yun, pero aabutin daw ng higit 1 milyon Kaya sa ngayon, naghahanap pa kami ng mga tamang tao na makakatulong sa akin.
Baka sa Amerika may mga espesyalista doon. Siyempre, mas advanced sa mga research doon.
Pambili nga ng gamot, hirap na kitain Ticket pa kaya pa Amerika? Ano kung mayaman?
Well, susubukan lang naman
Alam mo, wish ko na lang makahanap ng true love bago kukunin ni Lord.
At nakakapagbiro ka pa ng ganyan ikaw talaga.
Lord! Ako po, Lord. True love naman dyan. Oh, please. Ay? Akan agad?
Ganun. Tapos usap na kami lagi. Okay, let's chat again. Okay, nag-chat na ulit kami. January, ganun. Tapos hanggang sa, parang nagiging close na kami.
Hello, Doreen? It's Samuel.
Samuel, how are you?
I'm leaving the Navy now. It's so nice to finally hear your voice.
Usually ako kasi parang natatakot din ako na parang mag-commit and then pag nakita mo in person, baka mamaya hindi mo gusto, di ba? So, sabi ko, why don't you come? Pero sabi ko, walang no promises, ganyan. If you think you really like me, sabi ko, we can start from there, ganon. So kapag nandito ka na,
Well, I had 2 weeks of vacation and my trip to Cuba was canceled, so she just offered to have me come down to the Philippines. And I've been all over Asia, but I've never been to the Philippines before. And I wanted to see my own friends, so I said yes.
funny because nung umalis ako, parang ayoko na rin talagang pumunta. Inisip ko nga, baka hindi ko, parang inisip ko, kalimutan ko na lang din si Sam. Kasi parang feeling ko rin, ang tinitingnan ko yung mga gamot ko, parang mamahal. Inisip ko, baka hindi na rin niya ako gustuhin.
She was very beautiful.
He always say that, like, wherever we are, he will just say, baby, you're beautiful. Ganun siya. As in, gaganon niya ako lagi parang, oo na, sige na. So, parang gandang-ganda siya.
Don't you want sleep? You had a long flight.
I can't sleep. I can't take my eyes off you.
Sinabi ko sa'yo, ha? Matandaan mo.
Opo, Nay.
Is everything alright?
Yes. Nanay is just reminding me something.
Try this. What is this? Say it. Ginataang alimango. Ginatawan alimango? Very good, right?
Nay, mukha naman siyang mabait.
Mabait nga. Eh, hindi ka naman dapat umasa. Foreigner yan. May sariling buhay. Isa pa, hindi taga rito yan, anak.
Alam ko naman po yun, Nay. Tsaka, magkaibigan lang naman po kami. Alam niyo, Ma, sa totoo lang, nakaka-turn off nga po ako eh. Kasi may sakit ako. Yung kakaibang sakit pa. Pwedeng walang lunas. Kaya nag-i-enjoy lang po ako, kaya wag na kayong mag-alala.
We went to see our family because she had a family reunion, and we just spent a lot of time together talking about different stuff, walking down the road and going to the waterfalls. And it didn't happen at once. It just happened over the duration of the time. Nothing ever got her down. She was always honest, funny, and it was just good together. Loving, caring attitude towards kids and our family, and I was scared about everybody.
After 2 weeks, parang kailangan niya bumalik na doon kasi may work siya eh. Alam mo naman sa US, di ba? Parang pag vacation mo. Pero pag kailangan mo balik sa work, kailangan mo balik sa work.
I just dropped by to see you later.
See you later?
I know I will see you again. I'll find a way to see you again. Now that we finally met, I won't let you slip away from me anymore.
What are you saying? There are a lot of American girls in your country waiting for you there.
They're healthier and more beautiful.
You are the most beautiful of all.
But look at me. I'm all pale and sickly.
You get well, Joreen. Promise me. We will do everything so you would get better, so we have more time together. You're so beautiful inside and out. I love you. Promise me, Joreen, we're gonna fight this disease together. Please, say you love me too.
I love you.
Walang way kundi surgery. Kailangan tanggalin yung organ. Eh, yun yung sinasabi ko na parang may mga nabuhay. Yun yung sinesearch ko lagi sa internet. Parang life without adrenal glands. Ganon ako. Tapos yung mga ibang worst nga yung mga napupuntahan ko na parang sobrang naiiyak talaga ako. But then, yung doctor ko is very, parang napaka-cooperative niya. Tapos sabi niya talaga, I'll help you. Ganon. Don't worry. We'll find a hospital na pwede mag-sponsor niyan. Kasi, rare case ka, ganun. So, yung mga ibang hospitals will be very interested, ganyan. Sabi ko, sige Dok, kasi talaga wala naman akong pambayad ganyan. Tapos, nung parang tumatagal na, hindi ba yung mind ko na mag-surgery? Kasi parang sabi ko, sige, there are miracles.
Hindi madaling gamatin ang sakit mo, Joreen. Pero may mga nakilala akong eksperto sa Amerika at mas matutulungan ka nila. Maganda at bagong mga facilities nila. Ang kakailanganin mo na lang, pamasahe at panggastos mo sa US. Pero ang gamot, operation at laboratory fees, ay sagot na nila sa Maryland. Mabait ang Diyos. Manalig ka.
Mabibigyan ka na namin ng pagkakataon makapagpagamot sa Amerika.
In-arrange na lahat ni Samuel. Nagtulong-tulong ang lahat ng tinulungan mo. Para sa ngayon, ikaw naman ang matulungan, anak.
Ito na nga pala yung ticket mo papuntang US.
Totoo ba ito? Totoo yan, anak.
Para sa yan, Joreen, lumaban ka lang sa sakit mo, ipagdarasal ka namin.
Salamat. Nay, salamat, Nay. Salamat po.
Anak, magpasalamat ka kay Samuel, ha? Dahil idea niya lahat ito. Anak, gagaling ka na.
I mean, if you love somebody just because they're having issues, it doesn't mean, you still love them. In fact, it should draw you closer and to be there to protect them and get them through it. I mean, going gets tough. It's just the only thing you have is each other.
That must be your boyfriend. I heard he's been calling non-stop since you got here.
Yes. He lives in another state.
Oh, you have a keeper there, right there? He's probably worried.
Yeah, he must be really worried. But I'll see him when I'm all well, right?
Of course, sure. Just a few more weeks and you are good to go, Joreen. You are very lucky.
When she was in Wisconsin, no, I was worried when she was going through the surgery through, and I called a couple of times during the operation to check up, see how she's doing. And then I talked to her as soon as she was awake and was able to talk. I'm quite worried. That's why I called a few times. I was hoping everything was going okay and the surgery would be a success.
parang after few days na nandun ako, parang naka-travel na rin kami, punta-punta na kami kung saan-saan. Doon lang din sa Wisconsin. And then, he asked me na mag-walk.
The most beautiful woman in the world.
Me? But look at me, I'm all pale and weak.
You're an angel in my eyes, and I'll never let you go again. Jareen, will you marry me?
Yes. Yes.
I went to the jewelry stores back in, I believe I started looking around for the ring back in there. Went to like 3 or 4, just kept my eyes open. And if it went on sale, I think in June, I bought the engagement ring. And then I asked her, like, she was here for like 3 weeks. I just wanted to, I didn't want to ask her right before she left, but I wanted to spend time with her before I did ask her.
That time, parang natuwa ako, parang sabi ko, ano ba yan? Yung parang ahaba na hair ko. Pero, sinasabi ko, hindi naman, ano ka ba? Parang hindi naman kasi, parang hindi naman talaga ako gano'n na parang, wow, ang ganda-ganda. Pero siya, para sa kanya, parang, ako na yung pinakamaganda. And the most beautiful girl for them, gano'n, parang sa kanya gano'n eh, na ganda-ganda talaga siya sa akin. Tapos, he would always remind me, parang gano'n na, parang, oh, you beautiful baby, gano'n siya. So, parang natutuwa talaga ako sa kanya noon. Parang na-appreciate ko siya talaga ng sobra-sobra. I love Sam and I want to spend the rest of my life being with him.
Growing old together.
Growing old together. Yung lagi namin nire-remind with each other. Sabi ko sa kanya, oh, we'll grow old together. Basta kung ano man itong mangyari, sumpungin man ako naman kung ano-ano, parang we'll stick with each other. Palagi niya kasi sinasabi sa akin yun na parang, you are my life. Ganun. Tapos ako parang, huwag mo nga sabihin yan. Ganun po siya kasi parang nakakatakot.
It's a pleasure to see you again, Nanay.
Nay, tapos na po ang paghihirap ko. Kasala na, Nay! Kasala na!
Magkaibang mundo, ika'y naroon, ako'y narito. Ngunit sa isang banda, tayo'y nagkatagpo. Panahon minsa'y matamis, minsa'y mapait. Kahit gano'n man kasakit, walang kapalit.
You're so beautiful today.
Di naman, you flatter me.
You really are the most beautiful. And I want to make all your dreams come true.
You're my dream come true. Ikaw na talaga.
Open it.
What's this?
This is my wedding gift for you.
Jareen's?
Yes, I want to make all of your dreams come true. We're gonna open your dream restaurant within the year. I love you and I want to make all of your dreams come true.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you for coming back to my life.
Thank you.
Parang ngayon, yung life ko, di ba, parang wow, after ng lahat ng mga darkness, ganyan, parang there's really hope now. na parang I met someone pa. Sabi ko nga, Lord, grabe naman yung blessings mo. Parang after nung mga na-experience ko na I would cry a lot. Ganun. Ngayon, eto, I met Sam na who would love me. Alam ko na he would love me for the rest of our lives. Ganyan. And eto pa, we now have a restaurant na dream ko na yan noon pa. Parang gusto ko magkaroon ng restaurant. And na yung skills ko na practice ko sa pag-cook, ganun. And he enjoyed most of my cooking.
Yes, I do. Every fresh. It's just not.
And we still want another one. And ito yung dream niya. And we already bought a farm. So that's his dream. And I want to support him din doon sa dream niya. I'll give you a short tour. Menu na na-enjoy ng mga tao. I'm so happy na meron na kami ito ngayon. So we're planning soon. We'll also introduce more menus. Kahit noon pa, gusto ko talaga magkaroon ng restaurant. Parang, ewan ko ba, yun yung dream ko. Yung iba naiisip ko, pero parang yung restaurant talaga yung gusto ko kasi I love cooking, ganun. Nung nandun ako, parang kung ano-anong tinatry ko.
One gas for me is I was paying for each other, I was supporting each other, going over and loving each other to the fullest in every possible we can. I believe we should try to meet in the middle whenever we have an argument, and I was coordinate and do our best to please each other.
Ang wagas ng pag-ibig para sa akin ay yung pag-keep ng promises na we will love each other until death do us part. And I will love him forever. Whatever happens, I mean, we're one. Isa na lang kami, so we'll support each other. I'll support him, he'll support me, and I know that.
I am Sam Trastoy.
And I am Joreen Apuyan Trozel. At ito ang kwento ng aming wagas ng pag-ibig.